Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chrysler Voyager gas tank. First, find the fuel door on the driver's side rear of your vehicle. Before you begin, make sure your car is turned off and unlocked. Unlike some older models, the Voyager's fuel door doesn't have an internal lever or button. It's designed for a simple, direct approach. To open the fuel door, simply walk to the rear of your Voyager. Locate the center rear edge of the fuel door and give it a firm push, then release. You should hear a click as it unlatches and pops open slightly. This push-to-open design is a common feature on many newer Chrysler models, making refueling quick and easy without searching for an interior release. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the gas cap. Turn the cap counterclockwise to unscrew it completely and set it aside. After you've finished refueling, screw the cap back on clockwise. Make sure to tighten it until you hear several clicks. This ensures a proper seal, preventing fuel vapors from escaping and keeping your system running efficiently. If your fuel door doesn't open easily, especially in cold weather, try gently pushing on its outer edge to break up any ice buildup. Always confirm your vehicle is fully unlocked, as the fuel door's lock is tied to the central system. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.